Guys, greetings to you on the Franklin Trade channel. Today we will talk to you about one of the most popular market analysis methods, which is fundamental for all trading participants and rightfully occupies a significant place in the toolkit of both novice traders and experienced trading gurus. And friends, I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and the fulfillment of all your wishes. Most importantly, don't forget to keep learning, always work with a clear mind and pursue your dreams. They will undoubtedly come true with just a little effort. And now is exactly the time to utilize all your capabilities and showcase maximum productivity. Therefore, be sure to watch this video to the end, as in this video I would like to tell you about candlestick analysis. I want to discuss its advantages and disadvantages, as well as ways to apply it in various market situations. At the same time, as always, I will try to motivate you as much as possible, so in honor of the launch of the channel, I'm announcing a competition for $500, which will fall on your deposit if you follow 4 simple steps. Subscribe to us in Telegram and to this YouTube channel, watch the video from start to finish and don't forget to write a comment. The results of the competition will be announced in our open group in Telegram. All winners will be announced there, so don't forget to subscribe. So, have you subscribed to the channel? Did you like the video? Did you press the notification bell? Then let's begin. Let's move on to the analysis of the first currency pair, the British pound and the Australian dollar. So, first and foremost, I note a significant upward movement at the beginning of the graph, driven by buyers' activity based on volume indicators. We also observe the formation of a resistance area. Then sellers demonstrate their high potential by injecting their volumes into the market, leading to a fairly rapid downtrend with the formation of a support area. Next, there is a bullish rebound. A clear bullish channel forms on the graph and the trend gradually rises. However, bears have exhausted much of their accumulated strength in the previous trend, resulting in a sharp jump in the trend upwards. Nevertheless, breaking the resistance area for buyers proves to be challenging. Now, just before our entry into the trade, the key indicators suggest a gradual reversal, and we see how the graph has previously shown us a similar reversal. So I'm confident that in this case we can expect a downtrend after the buyers attempt to break through the resistance level. Therefore, we will be working on a downward movement. I switch to the broker and invest in a downward trade for 3 minutes with an investment size of $800. Guys, I'm confident that overall we will see something similar to what happened on the graph before. That is, the price reached the resistance level and then a significant pullback occurred. In essence, it has already begun, but now, in my view, we are entering the most favorable moment when the retracement has essentially passed all corrections from buyers and has finally formed into a stable downward movement. So let's keep a close eye on it. And while the first trading session is underway, let me tell you about the advantages of candlestick analysis and situations where candlestick analysis is particularly useful. I'll start with the advantages. Firstly, informative graphs. Candlestick graphs contain rich information about price movements over a specific period, providing traders with data on opening, closing, high, and low prices. Secondly, easy perception. Candlesticks are easily perceived by the eye, simplifying analysis for traders, especially for beginners. Next, candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns such as hammer or 3 black crows can signal possible trend changes, which is helpful when making decisions about entering a trade. And of course, it's convenient that candlestick analysis allows for the selection of various time frames, providing the opportunity to adapt the strategy to different market conditions. In what situations will candlestick analysis be useful? The most fundamental aspect is that it allows for a clear determination of the market trend, aiding traders in making decisions in favor of trend movements. Additionally, when analyzing candlestick levels, one can identify key points that may serve as the basis for entry and exit strategies in trades. Equally valuable is the application of candlestick for market event analysis. Candlestick analysis can be extremely helpful in assessing the market's reaction to events such as news, political developments, or economic changes. At the same time, I understand that even such basic things can still seem complicated, especially for beginners in trading. You need to continuously learn and strive to improve, and if you feel insecure but at the same time are ready to work together in a well-coordinated team and achieve financial independence, then the following recommendations are especially for you. I invite you to become a part of our exclusive VIP group in Telegram, where a unique experience awaits you and new perspectives. Our team will provide you with an individual analysis that reveals your strengths and weaknesses. In addition, you will master aspects of trading psychology and learn how to develop your own trading strategies. Under our guidance, you will gradually put the acquired knowledge into practice during your daily trading sessions. If you are striving to change your life and achieve success, our team is ready to provide you with all the support you need. Just send us a personal message with the phrase, "I want to join the club," and you can discover a lot of new things. It is important to remember that to achieve your dream, you need to invest a lot of effort, overcome all your fears, and constantly improve yourself. Well, all the necessary contact information is available in the description under this video. So, the first trade has come to an end. The analysis was accurate. In essence, sellers confidently maintained the trend significantly below the entry point throughout the entire 3-minute duration of the trade. And immediately after our investment, they steered the trend downward. However, towards the end, there was an unpleasant impulse from buyers, but it was quickly overcome and the trend returned to a favorable level for us, resulting in a profitable outcome. Excellent result. Moving on to the second currency pair, the British pound and the US dollar. Well, at the beginning of the graph, I observed bullish activity, after which the trend rises, forming a resistance area. Next, there is a significant bearish response in volumes, leading the trend to move downward. Then a minor correction occurs, followed by a sideways movement. However, bears manage to pass through such a correction, after which we observe the formation of a support area. It seems that sellers extended a considerable amount of energy of this market movement, which buyers took advantage of by injecting their volumes into the market, leading to the formation of a stable bullish channel. Now, before our entry, I can determine that buyers, despite the correction, continued the upward movement but are unable to break through the resistance area. So it appears that, similar to the first trade, a retracement awaits us. This is indicated by all the indicators, so let's proceed with working on a downward movement. Once again, I switch to the broker, where I will open a down trade for 3 minutes, this time investing $1,000. Guys, this time, based on my experience, the trading session may not to be as smooth. Buyers are constantly trying to adjust the course of the trend and introduce impulses, which could have a negative impact on the outcome. I won't be surprised if during the trading process we see a transition to a flat with profit only towards the very end of the trade and fairly high volatility impulses along the way. In general, I'll be observing closely. And as we accompany the second trade, I would like to talk about the drawbacks of candlestick analysis and the market conditions where this analysis method is the best choice for you. Let's start with the downsides. Like any analytical tool, there is a possibility of making mistakes by misinterpreting candlestick patterns. Another factor is the limitation of data. Information about the price over a specific period may be insufficient for a complete understanding of the market situation. One of the most significant drawbacks is subjectivity. Candlestick analysis is often subject to subjective assessments, and different traders may come to different conclusions. Moreover, I would recommend using this tool primarily in volatile markets. In conditions of high volatility, candlestick analysis may be more profitable as it provides a more comprehensive view of price fluctuations. Liquidity also plays a role. On less liquid markets, candlestick analysis may be less reliable as prices can be influenced by large players. At the same time, I understand that all of this might seem like advanced mathematics to a beginner and could potentially discourage them from engaging in what I wasn't hesitate to say is a complex business. However, don't worry, our channel is here to help you overcome all difficulties and achieve success in this field. Join our open Telegram group where people with common goals have come together: personal growth, financial independence, and overcoming fears. In our group, you'll receive daily analysis and we'll share our thoughts and valuable trading advice. Special attention is given to preparing your psychology to help you cope with the challenges that may arise during trading. I believe that your success depends not only on knowledge, but also in a stable psychological state. Now is the perfect time to take control of your life and move forward. I encourage you to shape your life in a way that you truly enjoy and earn a decent income for your efforts. Joining our friendly partner group will be your first step towards professional success. You'll find all the necessary contact links in the description below this video. So, the second trade is coming to an end, and this time everything was much more challenging than the first one. As I expected, we faced trading with constant impulses and, in the end, a virtual flat. After a significant downtrend, buyers still managed to make a correction and bring the trend close to the entry point. However, in the end, sellers succeed in breaking through the sideways movement and securing the trend slightly below the entry point, adding $920 to my deposit. We lock in a profit. Friends, in conclusion, I can say that candlestick analysis is a powerful tool in trading. However, traders should consider both its advantages and disadvantages. Effective use of candlestick analysis requires skills, experience, and careful analysis of market conditions. It's crucial to combine candlestick analysis with other methods and strategies to achieve the best results. In conclusion, I will remind you that you subscribe to the channel as well as to our open and closed groups in Telegram, because we have even more deals ahead, even more interesting news and training. In general, a lot of useful things for you, which is aimed at enabling you to work as productively as possible and reach those highs that yesterday seemed unattainable. Once again, Merry Christmas to everyone, and remember, it's all in our hands.